Alright guys, so I am definitely not trespassing. I definitely did not throw my kayak over a fence to try and find a 10-pound bass in this super juicy looking spot. No luck yet. Been throwing a Texas rig around. We got a little sprinkle, so I'm gonna switch it up, see if this will do the trick. Well, finally got a bite that wasn't a bluegill. I accidentally matched the hatch, throwing a craw around. This little dude definitely been feeding on craws. Thanks, little guy. We found another little guy, and yep, sure enough, they're eating them craws. Got him. Look at that hook set. Around 2 different trees. That has got to be the biggest beaver I've ever seen. Look, there's another one.